Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix App Store not available in your country. If you're trying to download an application from your App Store but you see the message that says App Store isn't available in your country, then here are some few ways to access the apps that is not available yet on your country. So, the first thing to do is to open up the Settings app on your iPhone or your iPad. Once you are inside the Settings menu, tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. Now, tap on Media and Purchases and tap on View Account. In the Account Settings page, tap on Country/Region. Select a country where the application you are trying to download is available and simply tap on it. Review through the terms and condition and tap on Agree at the top right and enter a valid payment method and billing address for your new country. You may also need to spend your current account balance for switching countries, and you will then be able to fix App Store not available in your country issue. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.